What do you think he's carving? A flamingo? What is it? A hermit? Who think it's a plane? Who think it's a bird? What do you think he's carving today? Okay, you gotta think about it. You got 5 minutes. Let's go. Come on, everybody, make some noise for Alex. Let's go. Come on, motivate it right now. Motivation is like food to anybody's soul. So you gotta feed it with a whole lot of love. We go nice, baby. What you got? Come on. Remember, I'm giving him 10 minutes. I don't know what you're giving him. Once again, remember, shout out to the culinary team. Shout out to Alvin and the Philippines. Here we go now. What is he carving today? I don't know. Let me ask somebody. What do you think he's carving? What is he carving? A bird? Do you think it's a bird? What do you think he's carving? Okay, so I want you to think. I know you don't know, but I want you to think. What do you think he's carving? A butterfly, not bad. Who else thinks he's carving a butterfly? Raise your hand. What do you think he's carving? The boat. Nice. What do you think? Oh my God, I gave you 5 days and you still can't figure it out. I'm coming back to you. Okay, what do you think he's carving? It looks like you. Nah. What do you think he's carving? A fish. Anybody else think it's a fish? Are you ready now? What do you think he's carving? A dolphin. It could be a dolphin, could be a